Hello, welcome to Architect. In this video you will learn how to link email address on WhatsApp. Simply open the WhatsApp, then click on three vertical dots, click on settings, account. Now click on email address. This email address will not be visible to others, so you will get verification code on this email ID which you are going to provide. Make sure this email ID in working condition. I will enter my Gmail. Click on next. So now I will check my Gmail. As you see, WhatsApp already sent me verification code. To verify this email, just click on the link, or you can enter this verification code in the previous screen. I have already verified my email, so it's visible here. I can replace it, just simply click on this edit pin. Now I can replace this email ID, or even I can delete it, or I can remove this email address. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the next video.